Welcome to Square Body Country. We're continuing to work on the cab this weekend. We're getting it really close to putting the floor pans in it. Sorry. So, with that being said, we've got the patch piece fixed for the behind the kick panel on the driver's side that was all rotted out real bad. We've got the kick panel ready to go in on the right side. We just got to do a little massage work to the kick panel on the left side. Get that stuff done. We'll be ready to put the kick panels in. Then after the kick panels go in, there's just going to be the little finish work on the back of the cab where we put those patch panels in. We finally got the air compressor going, so now I can get the small tools in there. It's really difficult to do it with the big electric grinders. So anyway, that being said, here we go. We're going to work on these spots here so we can get these kick panels put back in. Where we drilled out the spot weld, we have a little tear here. We got our little drill through spots here. Another little tear here. These spots here. We got to get these slicked down so the kick panel goes up against it. We don't want these holes on the back side. That's just a spot for water and stuff and all that to set in there, and it'll just start the whole rusting process on this truck all over again. Even though we got some pretty cool stuff, I'm hoping it's pretty cool stuff as far as rust inhibitor and stuff I get to put on, that we're gonna just paint up inside here really good before we go crazy putting everything back together. But anyway, with that being said, we're gonna come through here and get these spots filled up and smoothed down. There's what she looks like afterwards. You can still see here and here. I mean, you can see where they were. It's not picture perfect, but the holes are sealed up. There it is. Awesome sauce. Right out of time for this evening. So, I was hoping to get more done, but I like waiting for the shop to warm up a little bit. I don't like welding them when it's cold on metal. So, anyway, there we go. So, next thing is I get our patch panel cut for the other side. Then we're going to get our kick panels prepped and ready and get them put in. And after that, we're ready to put cab floor in. Awesomeness. Okay, I didn't video the prepping of the patch piece and all of the other stuff entailed. But we're gonna cut this out. Here's our patch piece right here. We've got it clamped all up, pulled in tight, because it's the process of pulling the floorboard out and everything, especially with this being rusty, this got distorted pretty bad. So anyway, we've got our line in the corner here. We've got a little reference mark in the notch here. So we followed our straight line through here, pulled it up over to here where it really wasn't distorted. I know this whole corner piece here was distorted pretty bad. So now we're gonna cut and put that patch piece in, plus our body line right through here follows. So, cool, that's where we're at. Here's the finished work, minus the little bit of plug welds we got to do here on the panel. Our finished work on the inside. And you see a couple of little bitty spots that are just a touch low, so they didn't sand out, but you can see where our body line's nice and smooth around through the cut. And our other cut, we kept it right here, straight across. That way, we could maintain that factory notch that's in that panel. But, there we go. Awesome. That wasn't too bad to do. But off to the next project. Okay, corner's on. Finish work done. Plug welding done. And a little bit of surface rusty crap there. But there we go. We got our corner here reconstructed. Got all of our plug welds taken out. Ready for the kick panel. All right. Good times, one step closer. I think what we're going to do now is we're going to put the kick panel on the right side. Hoping it's not too premature, but we've got everything done on that side that needed to be done. We've got the encapsulator sprayed on. We got the undercoating sprayed on. So I think we're gonna put it on, that way we can just have that part done and buttoned up. And I kind of want, before that undercoating stuff seals all the way, I kind of want those two pieces to, between the cowl and the kick panel, I want them to kind of meld and bond together and kind of seal up as best I can. Kind of like a form of seam sealer, since I'm not putting seam sealer in that spot right there readily right now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to proceed forward with trying to put the kick panel in. Kick panel in this side. I do not have it welded along here yet because, well, I guess I just realized after I started welding it that I don't have any locator holes anywhere in here, so I'll have to come back through with a smaller drill bit and pop through and give me something to weld to. So I'll do that later. You can see down through here where each the spot welds were, but honestly, you could see them from the factory as well. So these three here are a little bit low, they're pulled in, but this whole pillar section over here is kind of sitting a little wonky. You just shine the light up through there and see it. I don't know, it's not sitting quite right. It is what it is, that's where it's at. We just got to come through here and do our welds along here. And this kick panel will be completely in. And actually, I can technically wait until I get the 4-pan in and start putting rocker panel on. This here, little triangle or number 4 shape actually was the most important to get the floorboard in. This one here, it's not going anywhere. We can always wait until later when I put the 4 pans in, or when I come through and I put the rocker panels on. There that one is. Alright. Thank you, everybody. Like and subscribe, like and follow, all that good business. Every little bit helps the channel grow that much more and helps keep me doing this stuff here. Thank you.